Hi, so today talk begins about laid off. So people are getting laid off everywhere right now, but very few people are talking about this opportunity. Hi, my name is Abhi and I help businesses to get leads using strategical ads. In the current situation, there are many things following on. If you look around the situation, many lots of people are losing their jobs, whether feeling insecure about their income, not the surety because they have a responsibility. Even people with good skills are not sure what's going on to happen next. And honestly, it's a stressful situation. Turning the story, but at the same time, there's something people are missing. Businesses still needs customer every single day. And suppose a clinic needs a patient, a salon needs a client. There are five problems that we need to jump on and solve it quickly. The real problem is most businesses don't know how to get leads online. They try once without proper strategy and don't see the results and they quit. This is not the end. There is opportunity also, and this is where the opportunity is. If you understand how to run ads properly, you can help these businesses to get customer consistently. And platforms like Meta, it is possible to reach the right people locally. Very important. I have personally seen this work. I helped a local business run a simple ads within just a few days. They have generated a 1 lakh in revenue. The ROI was quite high. Big takeaway if we take, so the biggest lesson learned here is don't depend on just one source of income. If you learn a skill like running ads or generating leads, you can create opportunities even if uncertain times. Readable close. If you don't need something very complicated, you just need a basic understanding, some consistency and willingness. If you are someone who wants to grow in this space or generate leads for your business, and I will keep sharing simple practical strategies like this. So guys, keep keep like and comment on my channel and follow me for the latest updates. Thank you.